Have you ever wondered what's actually happening under your skin? It's not just a simple cover. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it's a high-tech, multi-layered shield that works around the clock to protect you. Today, we're peeling back the layers of skin anatomy, but don't worry, we're keeping it simple and fun. Let's dive in. First up, the top layer is the epidermis. Think of it as your personal bodyguard. It's tough, waterproof, and its main job is to keep all the bad stuff, like germs, out. This is also where your melanocytes live. These are the special cells that produce melanin, which gives your skin its unique color. But the coolest part about the epidermis? This entire layer completely replaces itself about every 28 days. That's right, you get a brand new outer layer of skin every month. It's like a constant, silent renovation project happening on your body. Now, let's go a little deeper. Below the bodyguard is the dermis, which is like the engine room of your skin. This is where all the magic really happens. This layer is absolutely packed with collagen, which gives your skin its strength and firmness, and elastin, which provides that youthful bounce and flexibility. The dermis is also home to your hair follicles, where your hair grows from, and your sweat glands, which help cool you down. Ever wonder what causes a wrinkle? It's usually because the collagen and elastin springs in this layer are getting a little tired and losing some of their bounce over time. So keeping this engine room happy is key. Finally, we reach the deepest layer, the hypodermis. You can think of this as the cushion. It's mostly made of fat and connective tissue. Its job is to act as a shock absorber, protecting your internal organs from bumps and knocks. It also plays a huge role in regulating your body temperature, keeping you warm when it's cold. This cushy layer connects your skin to the muscles and bones underneath, making sure everything stays attached and cozy. And that's a quick tour of your skin. A bodyguard, an engine room, and a cushion, all working together 24/7 to keep you healthy. Understanding how these layers work is the first step to truly effective skincare. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Skin Science made easy. Thanks for watching.